So today we are going to see large cap, mid cap and small cap funds. Large cap funds. The large cap funds invest 80% of your money in large cap companies. There are companies which ranges from 1 to 100 in market capitalization. In that there is a low risk and low return. Large companies are a giant in this sector. Company ranges from 101 to 250. They are considered to be a mid-cap company or a growing company. They give you more return because it has more risky, because these companies are low than large cap. They are not the big giant, like they are not struggling, but they are not that much bigger than the large cap. Low, higher risk and higher return because they take care. Small cap companies ranges below 250 are considered to be they are like startups and small businesses. They are considered to be a small cap. These companies are versatile, so you can accept higher rate, higher return, but there's a risk is very high because if the company collapse, your money will be vanished on the spot. Most of the people prefer to invest in small cap only when they have extra amount of money. The money vanishes, it will not affect your life. That's why it is very risky. So invest wisely.